Hi friends, my name is Nitambe and I am in 9th standard. In this video, I am going to show you Newton's law of gravitational force. Newton's law of universal gravitation is usually stated as that every participant attracts every other participant in the universe with a force directly proportional to the product of their mass and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their center. The publication of the theory has become known as the first great unification as a market the uniform unification of the popular description phenomena of gravity on earth which known as astronomical belief. This is a generally physical law derived from endless observation by what Isaac Newton called individual resonance. It is a part of classical mechanics and was fulminated in Newton's work, first published on 5 June 1687 when Newton presented Book 1 of the unpublished text in April 1686 to Royal scientist Robert Hooke, make the claim that Newton had obtained the interest square law from him. In today's language, the law states that every point must attract every object point mass by a force attracting along the line interacts that two points. The force is proportional to the product of the two mass and universally proportional to the square of the distance between them. The equation of universal gravitational thus take the form F equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. When F is the gravitational force acting between two objects, m1 and m2 are the masses of the object, r is the distance between center of their masses, and g is the gravitational constant. The first test of Newton's theory of gravitational between masses in the laboratory was the Solomon experimental conducted by the British scientist Hans Gravidence in 1798. It took place 111 years after the publication of Newton's Principle of approximately 71 years after his death. Newton's law of gravitational resembled Cloud's law of electrical force, which is used to calculate the magnitude of electric force occurring between two changes bodies. Both are universal square law, where force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the bodies. Columbus law has the product of two change its place of the product of the masses and the Coulomb's constant. In the place of gravitational constant, Newton's law has since been separated by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. Albert Einstein theory of general relativity, but continued to be used to an excellent approximation of the effects of gravity in most applications. Relative it's required only when theory is needed for extreme efficiency or when dealing with every strong gravitational field such as those found near extremely massive and dense objects or at small distance such as Mercury's orbit around the sun. Thank you friends, like, share, subscribe my channel.